Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this dry cauliflower masala. It is a simple and really easy recipe. You'll absolutely love this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Add 2 dry red chillies. Add 1 sliced onion and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry this for about a minute. Then add half teaspoon red chilli powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seed powder, and fry the masala for about 1 minute. Make sure the flame is on low, otherwise the masala will get burnt. Then add 3 chopped tomatoes and fry this for about 2 minutes until nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoon cream, or you can also add curd. Then fry this for about a minute. And then add 1/4 cup water and give this a really nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 whole cauliflower and give this a nice mix. Then add 1/4 cup water and cover it and cook until the cauliflower is nice and soft. Then once ready, give this a really nice mix. Then add 1 teaspoon Chaat Masala, add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give this a nice mix. There you go, the recipe is ready now. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. This is a simple and really easy recipe, and I hope you like this recipe, guys. And make sure you try this recipe at home. You will absolutely love this recipe. And if you like the recipe, then please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And there are so many other recipes on my channel, so please do have a look. Thanks for watching my recipe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.